Some drivers don't let others pass. Still speeding on the curb. Almost lost control. Watch the tunnel. SUV speeds up instead of slowing. Blocked seconds later. Water ahead. It's over. It's over. Twisting, okay now. Fun's over, drive normal. Car appears from right intersection. Is this car at fault? Front car keeps braking. Truck double flashes. Pay attention. Driver doesn't slow at all. Still tailgating. Front car brakes hard. Red light turning green. Ready to go. Watch tricycle ahead. Ran red light crossing. Filmed car on right. That's scary. Illegal and dangerous. No light intersection. Slow down early. Look both ways. Truck appears from left. Follow the rule, right? Drive normally. SUV from left. Changes lanes without signal. Driver won't allow. Not as skilled as my girlfriend. Light ahead. Front car brakes again. Driver speeds to pass. Video car is fast. White car changes lanes illegally. Also at fault. Motorbike just honks. No slowing. Mom, that's deadly. Video car turns, then hits passing motorbike. Clearly visible. Front car brakes. Driver still rushes. Reacts too late. Keep safe distance. Avoid rear-end yourself. Remind car behind. Turn left after turning. Wrong way by kids. Your own fault. Get blame driver. Watch the car on the right turn suddenly. It changes lanes. Video car won't give way. Other still forces in. Ouch, happy now. This ending feels good. Road ahead is tricky. We turn right. Battery bike comes from right. Suddenly turns left. Lady driver doesn't look. Whose fault is it? Car comes from right. Forces lane change without signal. You drive with eyes closed. Summer driving causes drowsy. Watch the front car. It keeps veering left. Goes out then up. Unlucky real name car. Height limit bar ahead. Truck ignores it. Tragedy follows. Car braked before call. Video car ignores it. No slowing at all. Is your brake broken? Don't say. Not as skilled as my girlfriend. Speaking of girlfriend, want one? Go find. Plenty of beauties. All types there. Something you like. Singles should check too. Slow early at intersections. Honk. Battery bike rushes from right. Red light turns green. We turn left. View blocked by truck. We turn. Straight car comes out. Drive normally. Watch SUV front right. Suddenly turns. Slow for curve ahead. Don't block road. Oncoming car appears. Nine of 10 crashed from speed. Another crash. Motorcycle too fast. From opposite lane. Ends in tragedy. Why ride so fast? Life is no joke. SUV owner caught. Downhill ahead blocks view. See oncoming car now. Video car still overtakes.